Hello everyone. So today I'm going to one of the sorting algorithm, like how we're going to sort an input array using merge sort. So as you know, there's a lot of sorting algorithm is there in the data structure algorithm. So this is one of the sort means algorithm that basically used for sorting the array content, array element, and that basically we are using. Previously, I've also explained like how you're going to sort this array element using bubble sort, selection sort, and insertion sort. So those are already available in my already in my channel. You can go over there and then you can check those things. Also, I provided the code for this one using Java. So those are also available into the repo that you can check it out and then check like how it is working. So this is also one of the algorithm, basically this merge sort, how we are going to sort this element. So as you know, this is basically is works this merge sort basically works basically into divide this array into a smaller subarrays and then sorting each subarrays and then merging a sorted subarrays into the back together to form a final sorted array. In simple forms, like we can say that like the process of merging sort is to divide the array into two halves and then to sort is half, and then accordingly we need to merge the sorted array into the back together so that we can finally get the sorted array. So this is, as you can see here, the input array is uh, 28, 17, 33, and 10. It's a kind of recursive algorithm that basically continuously is split and in half until it cannot further divide, means until it's not possible to divide those array. And then once it's this done, then it and like merge them into the sorted array until or unless it is completed. So this is basically this approach basically it's followed. So as you can see is over here, this particular array is divided into two sub arrays like 20 and 17 and then 33 10. After that it will again like split it into two like 28 7 and the third. Again after this sorted it's again like merge with sorted like 17 and 20 it will be sorted, and here basically 10 and 33, and again these two sorted arrays again merge into something like this, and then finally you are getting this sorted array. So it will be a like implementation wise very easy, like there is nothing complexities over here. So this is kind of the approach that we are going to like use for merging sorting the array using the merge sort. Also, like I'll explain how we are going to write the Java program for this. So I hope you clear about the idea like how we are going to sorting the array using merge sort algorithm. In next, like I'm going to explain how we are going to write the code using Java so that you guys can use this one, and it will be also very easy, not complex. So let's check out the code, like how we are going to using how we are going to write the code for merge sort using Java. So let's write the code for this one. So for writing the Java code for merge sort, so as you know over here already I have write the bubble sort algorithm, insertion sort, and the selection sort. So I am in the same repo I am adding this code. This particular code will be available in the GitHub. I will share the link. So first of all, here create one package for this one like com dot JavaTechSolution dot merge sort. Okay. So here I am going to write the class for this one. So first of all, create one class over here like merge sort. Okay. So here first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to we need to write two methods. One is for the merging the arrays and another is for the sorting the data. So first we can write the function for sorting the data. So for that basically we are going to use one method. Actually basically we are going to write over here like void sort. Okay, and here basically it will take the input of array and then to length of left side array and then to let int right side array. Okay, if we are going to check if this length, if it's less, then we are going to find the middle part of it. L plus r minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, Next, once we'll get this one, then actually we need to call the for first slab, so it's a recursive basically. So we need to call this sort again and again, array and then L and then M. So here we're going to call this one, and then again basically we are going to call this one with for second half, and it will be a middle plus one, and then it will be a right. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and then once this will be done, then we need to call the merge function from over here. As we have not written still this merge function, but we are going to write this merge function. It will be a little bit of complex, we can say. So let's write this merge function, void merge, and it will take int array comma int L int M int R. Okay, that means we are going to merge the sub-array. So first sub-array would be from L to M, and the second one is the M plus 1 to R. Okay, okay, it's okay. Now, okay, for the time being, I am keeping as a commented. Once it will be ready, then I will write open this one. Okay, so first of all, we need to find the size of this these two sub arrays. So equals to m minus 1 plus 1. It will be the m minus L. This is the length, and then length of this second, it will be right minus m. So now we are having the length. Then we need to create the some temp array over here, like new int of here we need to provide the size of this array, and next or right actually new int of n2. Okay, okay, so L and are already over here, so then we're going to L1 R1. Okay, so now actually we are going to copy this data into this sub array for. Okay, so here basically I less than n1 dot length. Okay, okay, so now we are going to copy the data into the temp array. So this I equals to array of okay. Next, similar fashion, we need to copy the right array. Okay, so here basically instead of I, R, equals to array of m plus 1 plus j plus I. Okay, so now the copy of this is done. Now basically we are going to merge those things. Okay, I equals to 0 comma j equals to 0. Okay, now we need to take another variable and then while here basically we are going to initial index of this means basically merging is going on, so we need to do this very carefully. So I less than n1 and this j less than n2. Okay, if L1 of I less than equals to R1 of j, if it is true, then array of k position equals to L1 of I, and then we need to increase the I index, else array of k equals to R1 of j, then j plus plus, and then k plus plus. Okay, next basically we need to copy the remaining element over here, like while here basically if I less than n1, then basically it will array of k equals to L1 of I, and then I plus plus k plus plus. Okay, and then remaining elements for the right. So let me copy this one, and then we need to check this with j less than n2, and here basically it will be a r right element of j plus plus and k plus plus. Okay, so this will be a kind of merge, and here from here basically we need to call this merge function, where basically it will take some inputs like array arr, then comma, it will be a like l, and then m, and then r, right? Okay, so this is done now, and next basically from the main class we need to write one main method where basically we need to call this one. So here basically we need to take one array, and for example 5 4 3 and 9. Okay, and we need to call the like create one object merge sort new merge sort. Okay, and then ms dot, we need to call this sort array 0 position, and then dot length. Okay, so it will give us the length -1, so it will give us the sorted array. So we need to print this. How we are going to print? For loop so sorted array plus arr of I and ln only print. Let's try to run this one. It will give us the sorted array, but it give us the stack overflow exception. That means something is not working properly, so I need to check from where it is not. So first of all, if this, then these are the fine, then sort of lm, and then m plus 1 comma r, that is also fine, and then merge of, yeah, this is also fine. Let's check this merge method. n1 in this fine, n2 is also fine, l1 r1 is also fine. Next, copy data over here, plus 1, okay, it will be a j or I. It's also fine, no issues with that. This is also fine. Okay, K1 this, okay, okay, okay. It looks fine. Then what is the issues with that array? What was the issues? Means is C, okay. So it should work now. Let me rerun this program. So it should work fine now. Okay, it's working, but it's not printed well actually. So let me do some cleanup over here. Put some space over here so that it will print in a proper way. Yeah, you can see these are sorted now. Maybe if I put some more data, then 45, 54. Let me rerun this once again. Yeah, as you can see, so these are sorted now. That means it's working fine. So now the thing is that advantages of this one, it's a scalability, one of the sorting algorithm, and means the maintain of this order of the equivalent into sub array. So in merge sort, basically in a worst case scenarios, also having the time complexities of the O login, means in it will perform well in case of also the in large data set. Drawbacks of this one, like it will take more space at the array is divided into the multiple sub arrays. So this is one of the things. If you guys have anything, like please do let me know in the comment sections. So that's all for this merge sort. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.